Do you hear that? That is the sound the letter H makes. Let's say it together. Great. The word hello starts with that sound. Can you say it with me? Hello. Perfect. Now let's spell it together. H-E-L-L-O. Awesome. Sometimes people answer with just hi instead of hello. Can you say it with me? Hi, how are you today? Try it with me. Hi, how are you today? Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? Fantastic. See, you just had a little conversation. Now let's try another one. This time, let's add a smile and a wave. Ready?
Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, I'm good too. Wave your hand, say hi with a smile. Let's be friends and chat a while. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, I'm good too.
Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm happy today, and you? I'm great. It's nice to meet you. Awesome. You are ready to greet people like a pro.